Hi boys and girls, Miss Frank here to do the daily calendar review. All right, so we have determined our core yesterday, which was sun, sun, flower, flower, which is an A-A-B-B pattern. So yesterday we started with a new piece for the sun in our pattern. So what does that make it for today? Let's see if you're right. It is another sun, so I have my A part of my pattern. All right, so today is Wednesday, which makes yesterday Tuesday, and tomorrow Thursday. So let's say that together. Yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. I just realized we forgot to say the date, so let's go ahead and say that now. So today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. Excellent. And if today is May 6th, what was the day before? The 5th. And if today is May 6th, what's the day after? The 7th. Excellent. All right. So we are going to move on to our calendar review. All right. First question. What is the core of my pattern? Do you figure it out? So here I have blue, orange, yellow, blue, orange, yellow, blue, orange, yellow. So I have an A, B, C pattern, and that means that I have 3 pieces in my core. All right, so here is my core for my pattern, blue, orange, yellow. Here's my number bond question, and I have my 2 parts, 4 and 1. What does that make it? 4 and 1 is 5. Oh, you couldn't see my fingers. It's 5. 4 and 1 is 5. So I'm going to put my 5 right here. 5. All right. What is 1 less than 9? So I have 9. I'm going to take 1 away. How many is it? I'm pretty sure you can hear my dog snoring in the background. I apologize. He's a pretty loud snorer. But 1 less than 9 is 8, boys and girls. I hope that's what you got. So such smart kids I'm teaching. All right, and my last question is to count by 10. So we know that each of these rods is worth 10. I can count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 in each, but I can count them by 10s to find out how many I have. So go ahead and do that now. Did you get to write that number down? Get it down. Got it. All right. Here we go. So let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60! If I'm going to write a 60, I'm going to write a 6 and then a 0 to make 60. All right, boys and girls, that is the end of our calendar review for today. I love you and I miss you, and I'll see you all very soon.